Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for a way to restore or maintain wooden items in your home? Maybe your cutting boards, butcher blocks, knife handles, things like that. Then you're definitely want to check out this 13 Chefs food grade mineral oil. This is a 12-ounce bottle, and this mineral oil is awesome. It is a super simple way to maintain those items and keep them in top working order. So this is food safe, it's colorless, odorless, tasteless, and gluten-free, and it does an amazing job super quickly. You can see that I used this on some bamboo cutting boards that were really starting to show some wear, really dried out, and within seconds of this mineral oil being applied, they are back to looking beautiful. It brings out their color, that natural wood grain, and they are conditioned and ready to go. So you want to leave this on for about 4 hours and let it really soak into that wood grain and just let it kind of drink it up, and it's going to do an awesome job at conditioning those items. So in addition to wood products, you can also use this to condition marble and soapstone, and also for stainless steel to help prevent rust. You can use it on your knives or even on things like a meat grinder to keep it really working its best. So I have been so happy with this. I love how all of the items that I wanted to maintain, they turned out so beautiful. It restored them to their natural beauty, and I know that it is going to extend the life of my kitchen utensils. So super excited to have this product. I love how versatile it is. You can use it on other wooden items like furniture as well. Great thing to have at home, and that's my point of view.